Hey, how's it going, guys? Willis here. Today I'm opening 2019 Topps Brooklyn collection. This is a product that is available to Topps 582 Montgomery Club members. Montgomery Club member is a something that offered by Topps, where you I think you have to pay an annual fee. I can't remember how much it is. But once you're part of the club, every time they release a exclusive product, you are eligible to buy that product. So this is the first one that they offer. So this is a pretty expensive product. I spent $100 on this box right here. And this, as you can see on the bottom part of the box, is a 7 cards inside. And the odds, so there's not a lot of odds here. So let me read through these. Base card parallels: gold is 1 to 2, orange is 1 to 3, red is 1 to 15, platinum is 1 to 72. And autograph card parallels: red is 1 to 11, platinum is 1 to 52. So as you can see, compared to other products, there's not much variations in terms of what you can pull. And there's also that no purchase necessary information. So for you guys who is interested in that, go ahead and jot that down and try your luck. Okay, so let me there's not much going on the box itself, so let's open this. Okay, and this is a very nice box, sort of synthetic leather type of texture to it. So this is the box itself. All right. Okay. Again, very they make sure all the inside is protected, so it's all soft inside. And it's a very nice box overall. So that's that. And as you can see, all the cards, there are 7 cards inside, and each card is on the thicker side. So definitely thicker stock. All right, so let's see the actually what I'm going to do. Put one card here, and let's find out what the first card is. Babe Ruth. Very nice. This is what the back looks like. Apparently these are like old designs. They came up with this design a long time ago and never used it, and they decided to pull those designs out and try to use them again. So all right, so that's the first card. Second card. Oh, got too many cards here. All right, Justin Verlander, Astros. Very nice. There's no stats, just little tidbits of information about the player on the back. All right, third card. Let's see. Maybe I'll do from the bottom. Atlanta Braves. And we got Freddie Freeman. Okay. All right. Fourth card. It's a black variant. Juan Soto. Yes. It's not number or anything from Nationals. This is the black border variant, and I already see a dent, a little damage on the side there. Especially, oh, actually, it's number. Sorry, I take it back. So it's number 1 out of 75. All right, very nice card. Okay. This right here. Let's see what we have next. Okay, number 2 out of 50. And of Nick Senzel. Very nice. From Reds. Very nice card. Okay. Second to the last card. And we have an auto of Ricky Henderson, number 22 out of 25 from Oakland A's. Ricky Henderson. Very nice. And it's not one of those stickers, it's on card autograph. Very good, very good. All right, last card. Okay, it's number 18 out of 75 of Noah Syndergaard. Very nice. Noah Syndergaard. Cool. All right. So these are the cards that I pull. Juan Soto, number 1 out of 75. Nick Senzel, 2 out of 50. Auto of Ricky Henderson, 22 out of 25. And then Noah Syndergaard on card autograph, 18 out of 75. Okay, so that's the Brooklyn collection. And I just want to remind you guys, my previous video was a video that I talk about giveaway, so make sure you check out that video. I'm giving away a holiday box, so make sure you check that out. And until next time, have a good one, guys.